Hello, namaste, how are you? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Yesterday, one of my friends rang me up and she told me to watch some videos. She told me, you are praising the Northeast all the time. Watch these videos, what they are. Then just I wanted to have a look. I was really shocked. Why? Because the person who had done this, I don't know why he did that. He was calling the people of that land as druggies. He was talking very cheap things about women. I can't even repeat that. Let me be more frank about Nagaland these videos were. But I don't think the people are like that. Because I have met one or two people, those who are working even in our place. They are well behaved, well cultured. How you can call everyone as druggist or a drunkard and all? No, never. Don't say like that. See, we are having people who drink, who take drugs everywhere, all over the world. It is not here or there. If you meet one or two, you can't tell that all the people of that state are like that. No, you don't have the right to defame any place. Let me mind you, as the YouTubers, or YouTube is a platform to spread the good things. What we see about good, tell it to the whole world, because the whole world is watching you. It is not only in India or in our state. All over the world people are watching it. That is why don't go to defame any place. Let it be in our country or anywhere for that matter. Why can't you look at the good things in it? We are having some poems in our Marathi language, let me tell you. The poem tells that, tell that the glass is half full. Don't say it is, the glass is half empty. Means, we have to look at the things which are good. Look at the things which are good. And as I told you, YouTube is a very nice place where you can spread the beauty of the place, spread the good mentality of the place. You can spread positive attitude. You can spread beauty of India. I don't know why this fellow, I don't take the name, because you are knowing the beauty of the place is so nice. The mountains, the hills, the culture of that place, the, what I can say, craftsmanship from the bamboo and all such beautiful things they prepare. I had bought that when I had been to Meghalaya, and when I asked where these are prepared, they told we have bought it from Nagaland. So the people are well known there. They are having craftsmanship. They are having so many good things. When you go there, show the good things, show the mountains, show the good-heartedness of the people, culture, their dance, their forests, and as I told you, their craftsmanship, and create awareness that we are all one. They too belong to India. They too are Indians. They too are our brothers and sisters. So if any YouTuber is misusing the platform of YouTube to disrespect girls of any place, not only Nagaland, any place, no, you can't do like that. See, after all types of people are found in all the places. It is our eye, what it sees. It is our look, what we look at the things. If I look at the good things, only good will be there. If you look at the bad things, if your mentality is like that, then no one can help you. You are knowing, even in the gold mines, to have a gram of gold, they have to throw out tons of mud, stones, ash and whatnot. But people are looking at the gold. So whichever place we visit, we should look at the good things. Why you are not able to see the beauty of the Naga girls? They are so beautiful. Their glowing skin, the way they talk, the way they speak with you, their hospitality, or the scenic beauty of Nagaland, you are not able to see that. You are only able to catch the bad things. See, it is said that beauty lies in the beholder's eye. So we can't blame the people of any place or any country or any state, because everywhere, see, even if you buy wheat or rice, whatever, you can find some small pebbles or something unwanted in that. Am I right? What we do? We pick up those small pebbles and throw them out. So in the same way, it might be, I am not telling nothing, nowhere is like that, because I haven't seen, but when I looked at his videos, I was really shocked. I was really shocked. And the bad words he has used about the girls, no, it should not be used about any girls. No. No, we should not allow anyone to use such bad words. And all of us, whenever we go anywhere, look at the good things. See, after all, it is according to our mindset. There is a proverb in our language. If you are having jaundice, everything looks yellow to you. Like that it might have happened to this YouTuber. He might have watched only those unwanted things which are very, very rare. But he was able to catch only that. Don't be under the impression and don't disrespect any girl or any woman on this earth, because woman is mother, she is goddess, she is nature, she gives you the life. We are born because of that mother. That is why ladies all over the world, they should be respected. Again, I feel very sorry for that one or two YouTubers about speaking bad things about the Naga women. No, They are not like that. I have seen at least 2 to 3 people from Nagaland who are in our place. Well behaved there. Everything is good. So, don't defame any person, any lady or any man on this earth. Look at the good things, enjoy it and spread it. That is the platform needs. It wants to spread the good things on this earth. Have a nice day.